3/4 inch stainless steel number 6 screws.
Now I'm using these so I don't go through the flashing. Go through the flashing, I'm taking away all the utility of the flashing. I don't want that. When the water rolls down this wall, I want it to keep going. This smaller screw, I'll fasten that until it's just snug. I want it loose. I want it loose because I want it to play on this bottom course. I've already shimmed up this entire run, so it's as straight as I'm going to get it for this application. To get my hole drilled where I want it and make sure it's where I want it, I've established a line here, 1.5 inches up. Down here at the end, I've run out of lines. I can go up to 2 foot on this deal between clips. My maximum spacing is 2 foot. Now, because this thing's a little bit funky and I know it, I'm gonna have that 7 inches or so overhang over there. If I have to face fasten, I do it. This whole run's going to cheat just slightly because the structure's a bit out of level right here. People use an impact drill on this. If you want to use an impact drill, you go right ahead and knock yourself out, but I like the control of an old style drill. Anchor seal. Now, if this was eBay, I would have sent this anchor seal tube back to you. But because it's NASA, it seems to be sealing up these end cuts okay. This is some sort of hybrid deal. I've never worked with this stuff before. I've used the anchor seal, the original product. This stuff goes on just like a wax, but I mean, it seals it right up. So far, so good, or you would have seen this back at your place. Already got a reference line established up here, 16 inches. I did this to check the level of the floor below me. I'm not nearly as concerned about how level the floor is. I just need these sliding pieces to level across the length of the run. I've got a very long run here, about 40 feet on this accent wall. And it's crucial for me to have that thing line up across the top. I've not been necessarily pre-drilling these courses that go up the run, except in a case like that where maybe my piece is a little far off the wall. Okay, I don't like the way that's lining up as is. Go ahead and drill through. These first strips are all aligned on studs. So my fastener go through the furring strip, through the sheathing, about a 1/2 inch into the stud beyond. Plenty. Had good luck with this as a bit.
Hold on.
This is handy. You can find a T15 star drive, which is my fastener right here. These screws that ship with the Viking clip. It enables the tip to work past see how that's milled out to accept the screw head. And In this case, the tip also works very well. Let's go down at a slight angle. Snugs up. Smooth. Smooth is good. If that ridge is caught, stainless steel is very, very, very soft. Works just fine, but it'll start spinning on it. This 16-inch line is handy because after 3 courses, the clip will come to roughly 3/16, a quarter inch shy of that line. And then, without even using a level on that 3rd course, I've got a point of reference. I know if I'm on track, if I've got to cheat one side up or down, go from there. Occasionally you got to tap these guys down. No big deal. Just like that. Just don't bang too hard. Anything that might destroy that tongue, you obviously don't want to do. Here we've got a butt joint. I've got spacing. You know, it's not a great deal of spacing here. It's about 1/16 of an inch at each side. This stuff's going to move. It's an organic material. It's unavoidable. So here I draw my total measurement. 104 3/16. I'm going to shave just about an eighth off that. Oh yeah, that's why I use 2 clips there. It snugs it up really nice. Makes it, oh yeah. A little shy at the top there. Having a real accurate cut. So what I'm going to do is fix that. I just need maybe a 1/16 off of this. Be a nice straight line. I had to do a little repair on this wall. It's an older house. These things happen. In this case, I had to repair and replace a little bit of the rim down there. It didn't just quite line up with the original, and that was unavoidable. Sometimes that happens. So now, I've got a nice clean vertical line on my butt joint. Nice clean vertical line on my end. Got enough space for it to breathe. Got a little bit more than that last course, and that's going to have to be okay. This thing dipped down just a bit in that corner. I knew this corner was going to be something of an issue. My spacing is back in line with the spacing of the clip, about an 1/8 inch there. Once that happened, I'll go ahead and go every 16 again.
I'm happy. You know, I wish, like I keep saying, I wish other projects inside my home would go so well. But I'm happy with this project.
Right, good.
So